Hi guys. Have you ever had to meet strict compliance or security requirements that meant storing all your company's data in your own cloud, such as AWS? If that sounds familiar, then private storage is in Fireflies is exactly what you need. With private storage, enterprise admins can route all meeting transcripts and audio files directly into the organization's cloud. It's also very simple to set it up, and I'm going to show you that now. There are different paths to get there, and I think this is the easiest one in my opinion. So we're going to open our Fireflies dashboard, and then you're going to head to Settings. Here in Settings, you just need to access Team Settings at the bottom left. We can also see a private storage banner helping you to set up, but I'm going to teach you how to do it in case you don't see this one. So you click on Team Settings, and right here at the top, you have private storage. You then click on Setup Private Storage. There's a bit of information that you can view for your reference. You click on Get Private Storage. You can now choose your bucket name and the storage region. For the purposes of this example, I will choose a location in Asia Northeast. And then you click on Setup Private Storage. You wait for it to load. And there you go. You can see that is now active in the location that we chose with the toggle on. So if you ever want to disable it, just toggle it off from the same page, and Fireflies will go back to its default cloud storage in the US. You just have to click it here and press disable. There you go. So if you're thinking, wait, I don't see this in my dashboard, well, chances are that you're probably not an enterprise customer. So it might be an opportunity for you to ask for an upgrade. But that's it for me. Cheers.